creative. D for dream big. E for enjoy life. F for fear not. G for go places. H for have fun. I for imagine. J for jump for joy. K for keep confidence. L for love truly. M for master something. N for never quit. O for open your heart. P for pray a lot. Q for quill romance. R for rise up. S for seek wisdom. T for trust. U for unit. V for value truth. W for wonder. X for extend grace. Y for aim for pace. Z for seriously study. Thank you to all.